Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna do a get ready with me for lunch, so let's get right into the video. So we're gonna do a quick little face. Nothing you haven't seen before. This we need to get out of here. Again, I don't understand why this thing looks so different on camera. Whatever. Maybe it's high. So we're going to brunch in New York. We're going to the Crab House. And yeah, I am a little bit more quiet because I'm rushing. And yeah, I'm also not feeling great. But we're gonna go because I'm longing to see my friends and all that. And this week has been a long week. It's been a long week, but it's been such a great experience. So trust many blessings. Thank you, Jesus, for the blessing. And yeah, this thing looks so different on camera. Whatever. Let's get the spots that need a little extra. And yeah. Probably. Now for the fun part, we're going to pair the Shein MUSERA top It's a long jean jacket with some Akira surgical 4-way stretch, I think, boot, Kurt Geiger bag, and of course we're gonna throw some shorts onto that. It's long, but you know, it will go up in the back. So yeah, we're running behind time. I'm supposed to be leaving the house now. I am running so behind time. Let's get some socks. It is cold out, so let's get some thicker ones. These are from Whitney's closet. Gonna throw them on, show you the final fit, and then get the hell out of here. I'll be back. So what we're going for is that 90s type aesthetic. I paired them with these earrings that Whitney gave me out of a pack. I'm sure they're from Shein as well. I'll ask her for the link and put it down below. Yeah, we're running behind. So. My mirror is over there. So yeah, that's what we're going for. Put on my ring that I got for my 30th in Gibraltar. And then we're gonna pair our fall favorite perfumes. We're gonna go with yall, the pistachio version, and yall vanilla 28. And I'm gonna pair them with this Gucci sunglasses. And I'm gonna put the camera down for a final look. Let's see, if I step back, can you see me? Nope. And this is the final. So, top from Shein, MUSERA. These shorts are actually from Shein too, but yeah. Boot is from Akira, whatever it is. Kurt Geiger, Nordstrom Rack. Ring for birthday, earrings, I think from Shein. And glasses are these Gucci round shaped type situations from Bloomingdale's outlet. So yeah, gotta go. See y'all later. Bye!